In this section, we're going to see what are apps in Power BI services. In Power BI service, app creation is very simple. Like it will create official packaged content, right? Then distribute the content to a broad audience. It can be a large group of people in the organization or to the entire organization. Basically, it will combine the related content, like if we have created dashboards and the models and reports all in one single place. That is the whole purpose of the app. Let's try to check it out, how to implement an app in Power BI services and share it with the wider audience. So we are in Power BI now. We have seen different ways to share individual reports as a workspace, those kind of stuffs, but creating an app has its own advantage. It's just a simple web page kind of a thing, and of course the users who are consuming should have a licensing requirement as well. They should have a pro license at least to consume the reports. Now coming to our topic, let's try to create one app, then we'll check it out how it looks different from the other way we have shared. So let's name it as a demo app and provide a proper description. Keep all the things as it is for now. So there are 3 steps in this app. One is setup, give a name, and do some advanced settings if you require. For demo purpose, I'm skipping that. And add content. This is important section where you click on this, okay? Click on this and then add whatever you need. I want to show these 2 reports with the dashboard that we have created in our previous section. Now I need this data to be shown as part of the report. Then if you want to add some section, let's say you want to group this one into single, right? This is the reports, and then keep it inside, okay? Just drag and drop so that this will appear as a folder in your app, and then this will be appearing as a another folder. It's just an organization, organizing your content, okay? Just drag and drop properly. Now you have dashboard and reports, kind of, okay? It can be based on the subject area. You have multiple reports in the finance, you have income statement, or you have a balance sheets. You can have a different naming convention here, right? Okay, now you have organized the content, and then next step is to whom this content should be shared, right? You need to choose the audience here, okay? Here is the catch, interesting thing over here. There are 2 aspects of it. One is you can create different audience here, meaning like we will initially, or in conventionally we call it as perspective, different let's say for sales people, right? I want to show only sales team, okay? Sales team A. I want to show only report 1, okay? This only should be shown and other dashboard should not be shown, okay? Now the sales team A will have only see this particular report. Now sales team B, okay? Come on. Sales team B, okay? This is the sales team B. These guys can see all the reports. That is how I created. Now go to the sales team A, okay? Now you can able to add certain peoples here. Let's say Nags, in my case, he's the one of the user in my domain, so you can add this person. In sales team B, you can add some other person, okay? So these kind of customization you can make. If you are not making any of this customization, meaning like these reports can be viewed by this user, these reports can be viewed by this user, this kind of access control, right? Restrictions you are not making, then whoever has access to this app can able to see all the reports. This is only the optional one. It's a kind of a security feature. Now once you create groups, security groups, and see what they can see and add respective users, you are all set to go. You can publish this app. I created this app, so I can able to see all the perspective or all the views of it. So let's go and check it out how it looks in the URL. So what you need to do is people should go and you can either share this particular URL to the user. So they will just click on this, and they will, first time while they are logging in, it will register. Okay, it will take some few minutes and then it will register. Then what you need to do is you can start using as an app, right? You can bookmark this. You see here it is installing an app. Now you can able to see the altogether different view of it, and you can also do the full screen. That's it. So you can able to see the complete dashboard or the app feature over here, right? So show navigation, I can able to see the reports now. Instead of dashboard, I can click on this reports over here, and in this 7 services you can able to see the reports that we have published and created. So click on this. It takes few minutes. Very first time it is loading it, so that's why it takes some time. So what is the advantage of creating this app? Like, users won't able to recognize this is the Power BI. They want to have as an end user, they just want to see the reports from their perspective, right? So it will look like an application or app. So they can no need to worry about edit feature, or I need to add some other features in the Power BI. For the end users perspective, this is the best way to consume. And one more thing, a technical aspect of it I want to highlight is like any amendments you make in the workspaces. Right now from this workspace, these 2 reports and dashboards are part of this particular app, right? Any changes you make in this particular report won't be immediately or automatically reflecting in your app. Let me try to show you what I'm trying to convey. Let's try to change the color. I mean, I'm always used to show you the simple feature. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, let me add it as a green. Okay, now I have reduced this size. Okay, I am reducing this size over here. Now let's save this one. Okay, now go back to this app and refresh this. Let's see what changes has been reflecting here. Any changes you are, what I'm trying to say here is any changes you are making in the underlying objects will not automatically reflect in your app. Okay, for that, what is the reason? Now the color change is also not reflecting, and the structural change what I have done also not reflecting. So it is because Power BI internally creates a hidden workspace for the apps you created. So you have all these objects. On top of that, you created one app workspace, takes a copy of your reports from here and then merge the data. It only gets your latest data. So data changes will reflect here, but any structural changes or cosmetic changes you do, it will not reflect. How it will, in order to reflect it here, you need to update the app. Now initially we have seen create app, right? Now you can see the update option. Go to the app, update app, then go to the content, reports, sorry, it is the another report, sales report. Yeah, now you can see the green, everything is appearing. When you do the update option, it will appear. Then click on update. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. If you have seen the message, it takes 5 to 10 minutes sometime. but sometimes it will be automatically reflecting. Let's try to check it out. So this is very important aspect while you are creating an app and publishing app. This is a common mistake people make, because something happens in the workspace, it is not reflecting, we don't know why I've created app, there will be confusion. You need to know the fundamentals first, how the things works in Power BI. So now let's go to that report and click on sales analysis. Now in this app right now, the change has been reflected. So I hope you understand the purpose of app right now and how to do the change management in case of something changes happens. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and comment below for queries. Do remember that data is your asset.